Good morning, kids. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday, and I'm back, Teacher LM. Welcome to our math class. So before we will continue our lesson, let's have a review first. Okay, yesterday we talked about skip counting by twos. Okay, so let's count together the numbers. Skip counting by twos. Everybody, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. So yesterday we learned how to skip counting by twos from number 2 to number 50. All right. So I explained also yesterday how to count by twos. So for example, class, counting by two, if we start from number 11, okay, and I will ask you how to count by twos. So you will just count 1, 2. So the number is 13. So if we start to 11, you need to count by 2, or you need to plus 2, make a plus 2. Okay, so for example, 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. So that is how it goes if you counting by twos. Okay, so 13, 14, 15. What's next? It's 17. Next to 17, 19. Next is 21. So you just need to add the last number 2 digits to make the next number by 2. Okay? Okay, here. The arrow starts at 32. So the next number will be 34. And 34 plus 2 is equal to 36. So there it is. And next one, it will become to 38. Next to 38, it's 40. Okay, next to 40, it becomes 42. Okay, kids? Let's try one more time. Okay, so 94, next to 94, counting by 2, it will become 96. Next to 96, it becomes 98. Next to 98, it becomes 100. Next to 100 becomes 102, 104. Okay, so that is how you will counting by 2. Next one. We talk also about skip counting by 5. Okay, so let's count by 5, class. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So let's practice counting by 5. So how to count by 5? We just need to count by 5. For example, here, 11, the number starts with 11. So you need to plus 11. 5 is equal to 16. Right? Okay, 16. And there, 16 plus 5, it becomes 21. Next, here, down from 32, it becomes 37, and 37 becomes 42. So we count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 37. We count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It becomes 42, and so on and so forth. Okay, now let's practice skip counting by 2. So the digits are 1 blank, 5 blank, 9 blank. We need to fill up the box. What is the missing number? So skip counting by 5 from 1. So we will jump to 1, 2, 3. So the missing number here is 3. Next to 5. So 1, 3, 5. Next is Number 7. Next to 7 is 9. How about next number to 9? It's number 11. Okay, good job. How about the missing number is 2 in this box? So we have 23, 27, and 31. The missing number is 25. Next to 25 is 27. Next to 27, it's 29. Okay, great. So that is all about skip counting by twos. Next, skip counting by 5. Let's practice. So the missing numbers are 5. So we have 5, 20, and 25. So what is the missing number? What's next number to 5? It's 10. Next to 10, 15, 20, 25. Next to 25, 30. Next to 30, 35. Next to 35, it's 40. Okay, nice. All right, class, so that's all for our lesson for this morning. I hope you now master how to skip counting by 2 and skip counting by 5. So this afternoon, let's practice more about skip counting by 2 and 5. That's all. Thank you so much and enjoy your day.